How to repost post on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can repost a post on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're logged in, find the post that you want to repost. For example, I have this post right here. So if you want to repost it, what you have to do is simply tap on the paper or the airplane icon right here. From this pop-up menu, if you're able to find an option that says repost to feed, you can simply tap on that and add a caption and tap share. But in case if you're not able to find the option as repost to feed, then what you can do is you can add this to your story. Then tap on add to story. If you tap, you will see different layouts. You can choose one from your preferred choice. And after that, if you want to add stickers, text or effects, you can do that as well by tapping in the stickers icon at the top of this interface. Once done, tap or add to your story to share it. And in this way, you can share a post via your story. But if you want to repost the post in your feed on Instagram, then what you can do is you can manually take a screenshot of the post. So here, if you go back, now you can take the screenshot of this post and then you can crop out all of the UI elements and discard them. After that, you can upload it as a new post. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.